Kittens, and welcome to my channel. So today, as you guys can tell by my garb, take a look at that. That is a falaha outfit, as we call it in the Egyptian streets. A falaha is a girl from the village. Why am I dressed like this, you may ask? It's because I'm making some Arab food tonight. It's actually the daytime. I'm making kofta, which is Arab meatballs with a lot of spice, right? No eggs, no bread, none of that good stuff. And on the side, I'm making a tahini dip. Now, I want to dedicate this video to my mom because she taught me everything I know about cooking. So, Ma, this goes out to you. I hope I do not do you wrong. Now, I want to tell a quick story about my experience in Egypt. Now, I am from a small village called Ben Abid, and it's actually really far from Cairo. It's like 4 hours away. You know, we went, me and my mom and my sister Jasmine, which shout out to Jasmine and Dean, I love you, and Mohammed, her husband and baby. So anyways, we went there, and I was like, Egypt, it's gonna be great. We're from the village. I like village stuff, right? And we get in this thing called tuk-tuk, which is like a little cab. Basically, it's like held together by tape. So we get in, and I'm holding, and I'm like ready to go. And literally, we start the drive, and I see one falafel cart and one cow. And the entire tour took us 5 minutes from start to finish. So me and my sister are like, wait a second, Mom. Where is the village? She's like, no, that's it. This video is going to be amazing. Stay tuned and let's go. Bye. All right, guys. So we're going to start off by actually prepping the onion. Now, the onion is very important because we are going to be grating the onion on a grater. Now, after you grate half the onion, we're going to use the other half to actually go into the meat. Now, usually, I don't think my mom does this step, but like I love the taste of onions in meat. I just love it. Now, another step you could actually do to like take your, kofta over the top is by caramelizing the onions, okay? And making them super, super caramelized and then dumping them in. I mean, that's just some Iron Chef type, you know what, right? It's about a half a red onion. Beautiful. And then you want to pour the nice juiced out onion in it too, right? Put that right in there, and you could break it up as it goes in. If they make a cologne out of this, I will marry that man that's wearing this cologne. Take pointers, boys. You got an Egyptian woman on the loose. Oh man, that just smells so good. Nice. My eyes are literally tearing from that onion, but I'm a grown-ass woman. I can handle that. Beautiful. So, and now we're gonna actually salt, pepper, and season it. Now, you need a lot of seasoning, guys. All right, I don't wanna hear, oh, salt and pepper works. It doesn't work, trust me. Right, you want to put a lot of salt on there, guys. All right, so we have allspice, and you want to do a couple of pinches. Now, I told you guys, this is what's going to take away that meat taste. I've been making koftas pretty much my entire life with my mom. I remember me and my sisters, we always got together and we made it. So you want to put oil on your hands. The reason being is that the kofta won't actually stick to your hands. So your hands have to be oiled, okay, and clean, obviously. So you're going to want to take a nice size, not too big, right? A nice ball amount, and you want to like spin it together. And then you want to start forming the kofta around your index finger. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to actually give it like a little space inside, so it will be nice and juicy. Okay, so as you guys can see here, I'm just simply forming it into the kofta. Now, I'm not going to lie, I'm not the best at this. I mean, that's pretty darn good, but I don't care. Oh, it's perfect, it's done. So it's gonna go right on the grill, and don't worry guys, I'm gonna keep making these. All right guys, as you can see, the plate is smoking. So you just wanna flip your kofta when it gets nice char marks on it. And you're just gonna wanna keep it going, right? Make sure that it doesn't break apart. You wanna be very, very gentle with these lovelies. So right now we have all of them on the grill here. Now that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, about 12 koftas I made from exactly 1 pound. Now this is gonna vary depending on if you guys do thicker, thinner. I like them this size because I like them to be a little plump and juicy. So right now they are actually working beautifully, guys. Take a look at that. Look at those juices coming out of it. Nice and delicious. Now, I will check back in as soon as they are done. We're gonna be starting to make the tahini. Now, tahini is basically a sesame paste. Okay, you can get it from anywhere. I actually got this from Stop and Shop. I know they have them at Trader Joe's. They have it pretty much anywhere in the international section. So you wanna take about, I wanna say a cup of tahini. The first thing you want to add is you want to add water. Okay, so you want to add a little bit of water to the tahini. You want to add some pepper. You want to add a little bit of the salt. Okay, you want to add some white distilled vinegar. Now don't worry guys, I'm going to put the measurements as soon as I'm done. Now I actually cut the seeds out of my lemon. And then you just want to give it a blend. So cover it and put it right on and make sure it's plugged in. And that's it. So you want to pour it into a container as such. And just for presentation purposes, perfection. Hi guys, so today was probably one of the funnest and hardest videos I made because I don't normally cook this elaborate, but I'm telling you right now guys, this looks, look at that. Look at the heat coming off of it. Oh mama. It's perfect. I'm shooketh right now. It is so flavorful, so juicy, guys. That pocket that I made with my index finger, that helps it air out in the middle and cook evenly, and it makes it so juicy. The first thing you taste is like that hint of allspice, but you're like, what is that? Who's creeping in the background? But it just comes out of nowhere, okay? You don't really know what the taste is. Please try this recipe, and welcome to Hugger's Kitchen. This is to you, mommy. I love you so much. You're my best friend forever. All right, guys, you ready for 4 hugs for hugs? I'm hugs. You get hugs. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and the last one's really, really tight. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.